let us start with a new topic of sphere. Any sphere through the given circle. Number one, S is a sphere here and P is a plane. Then S plus Kp equal to 0. It is called equation of sphere passing through the points of intersection of this sphere and this plane. So thus the set of sphere through this circle is given by S plus Kp equal to 0. Then next, the equation of a sphere through the circle of intersection of given sphere. Suppose अपने पास में दो sphere की equation given है and we have to find again a sphere which passes through the intersection of these two sphere is given by S1 plus KS2 equal to 0 or S1 plus K times S1 minus S2 equal to 0, where S1 minus S2 represent the equation of plane of the circle to the through sphere. Then number 3, the equations of circle are also given by this and this. The equation of sphere through this circle is given by, it is our S plus Kp equal to 0. Now see one example. Find the equation of sphere through the circle. These two together is circle. So let us take S is this and K is this, P is this here. So equation of sphere through the circle is given by S plus Kp equal to 0. But problem में condition given है कि find the equation of sphere through the circle and through this point. Our required sphere also passes through the point 1, 2, 3. So this coordinate 1, 2, 3 will definitely satisfy this sphere. So replace here x, y, z by 1, 2, 3, will get value of k. Substitute value of k here. So you will get required equation of sphere. Then next, find the equation of sphere through this circle and the center of sphere, this. So in like the last problem, S is this here, P is this. So equation of sphere through the circle is S plus Kp equal to 0. So you'll get this result. But problem में condition क्या given है कि the center of sphere, this sphere passes through the center of this sphere. So we have to find center of this sphere first. उसके लिए हम लोगों को इसको standard form में लाना पड़ेगा. So let us simplify this. Let us take x, y and z common. So now it becomes in standard form. So it is here, but now center of this sphere passes center of this sphere this here. If the sphere 1 passes through this, so definitely this coordinate will satisfy that equation. So we will get value of k, that is minus 2. You can substitute here value of k here. So we will get equation of required sphere. Then next is here, show that the equation of sphere having its center on this plane and passing through the circle with these two is this. So equations of given circle are, it is S1 and S2. Actually these two separately are sphere, but their intersection is definitely a circle. So equation of sphere passing through this circle S1 S2 is given by this formula. Let us substitute here value of S1 and S2. You will get this result here. Now find center of this here. So actually it is twice U, twice V and twice W. So from here you can find minus U, minus V and minus W or this. But according to problem, the center of this sphere lies on this plane. So we can replace x, y, z here in equation of plane. We will get k equal to this, substitute value of k. So we will get required equation of sphere. Then interesting example, find the equation of sphere for which this circle is a great circle. You know what is great circle? Let us consider a sphere and Here I am taking here a plane which passes through the sphere. So definitely their intersection will be a circle. But suppose if the plane passes through the center of this sphere, let us suppose that plane passes through center of this sphere. So definitely we'll get a circle of greatest radius. So definitely this circle is called great circle. So it is S here, it is a plane. So equation of the required sphere will be S plus Kp equal to 0. Let us find here the center of this sphere. It is twice U, twice V, twice W. So it is minus U, minus U, minus W. But the center lies on the plane. So like in the last problem, K is minus 4. Substitute this value of K in equation number 1. You will get required equation of sphere. Now we see next topic, intersection of a sphere and a line. Suppose if we consider a sphere and a line, so definitely this line will cut the sphere in 2 points. So we have to find coordinates of these 2 points, and we will see this topic with an interesting example. Find the coordinates of the point where this line intersect the sphere. So equation of line मालूम है अपने को, any point on this line, let us suppose that it equal to k. So we can find the value of x, y, z. So these are the coordinates of any point on this line. So definitely it is coordinate of any point on the line. But we have to find the coordinate of a special point. If this point lies on the line and also on the sphere. So these coordinate will definitely satisfy the equation of sphere. पूरा सिंप्लीफाई करो इसको, k की 2 वैल्यू आ रही है. So just put here these 2 values of k here in the coordinates. So you'll get 2 coordinates of the points of intersection of a sphere and a line. So let me stop here, friend. We'll continue in the next lecture.